we'll guide you through how to adjust white balance in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Once your project is open, go to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. You'll see your footage in the center, and on the right side, there's the Color Wheels section. Here, you'll want to focus on the color temperature and tint sliders. To adjust the white balance, you can start by using the color temperature slider. Move it left to cool down the image or right to warm it up, depending on what looks natural for your footage. After that, adjust the tint slider to fine-tune the balance between green and magenta. This helps to correct any color cast that might still be present. If you want to be more precise, you can use the White Balance Picker tool. Click on the eyedropper icon in the Color Wheels section. Then click on a neutral area of your footage, like something that should be white or gray. This tool automatically adjusts the temperature and tint based on your selection. If the automatic adjustment doesn't get it quite right, you can manually tweak the sliders afterward. Remember to play through your footage to see how the changes affect the entire clip, and make further adjustments if needed. Don't forget to save your project to keep your changes. This process helps ensure your footage looks natural and consistent, which is crucial for maintaining a professional appearance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.